So he wants to go everywhere Glenn is. Yeah, Glenn gets some time. Glenn does everything. He's a little nugget.
Hold on. The worst cameraman.
That gate, I got it. That pole sits slightly too far back now. I did it on purpose. You open the gate like that, and it'll shut itself.
Okay.
It wants to fall toward the place.